Okay. Listen. Oh my God. So this is the same night the big fireball just happened in Michigan, and we're in Maine. And I was just talking about how strange it is that all this was happening. All this is happening on the same night or same week. And I just made a big deal because we have our paranormal podcast, and now we're having this guy trumpets. Stacey, will you hold this right here? I'm gonna put my shoes on so I'm gonna take this outside. Keep filming right here, please. Okay, so that happened at 3 minutes and 33.